Okay, I just received an automatic knife from Blade HQ. It's made by Boker, and I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that says Boker Plus Kalashnikov 74, and it just doesn't show very good. But yeah, let me open up the box. Kind of looks like a magazine for an AR-15, but let's see if I get it out of the box one-handed. Okay, there it is. It's got a black handle. With the blade itself is red. And let me see if I can get it out of here. Okay, here we go. And it's got a nice clip on it. It looks nice and sturdy. And like I said, it's an automatic knife. It doesn't come out the front, it comes out from the side. Let's see how the action is. Ooh, that's pretty good. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. Automatic Kalashnikov 74. And I had it engraved to personalize it. It says especially made for Jack Mackinson. That way, I lost a knife previously. It was a really nice, it was a Benchmade, and I'd lost it, and I needed to replace it. And this is a little bit heavy, but that's okay. I like some weight to the knife. Let's see how we can do this again. That's not too bad. It's pretty light and fast. The only way I have to close it, because I only got one hand. But it's got some nice finger grooves in it too. Let me open it up again. Yeah, see how it fits the grooves fits my hand really well. Sorry about that. I got some new teeth. So anyhow, that's my new knife, and it was $65, which wasn't too bad. My previous one was a Benchmade Mini Flex, and I paid $200 for that. And so when I made this purchase, I wasn't going to spend as much as I did on the previous knife. But I think the camera even picks that up. Well, anyhow, that's it. Let me put it back in. That sits real nice in that. Put the top back on. There we go. Thanks for watching.